As we already know that Samsung gonna launch its upcoming Galaxy Fold 5 lineup on late July, and we already have seen multiple leaks regarding the design, renders, hinge, and almost everything. And today, a series of new leaks have recently surfaced online, revealing the full specifications of the next-gen flagship foldable smartphones from Samsung. Leaker Snoopy Tech posted a cryptic tweet in binary, which, when solved a few times, points to leaked specs and renders of the new foldables. Now, every technical detail of the Galaxy Fold 5 is now public. That includes display type, size, and SoC. As for the specs of the device, things get a little more intense. Both display sizes hit the same size as the previous generation and are backed by a Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. The external display hits 6.2 inches at 2176 by 1812, while the internal screen comes in at 7.6 inches. Both are capable of 120 Hz, while the external display's variable refresh rate hits a minimum of 48 frames per second. Inside, the Fold 5 houses 12 gigs of RAM with either 256 or 512 gigs and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The battery inside is a 4,400 mAh unit, which isn't a physical improvement over the Fold 4. The Fold 5 will come with a 50 megapixels main sensor and 12 megapixels ultra-wide. The telephoto lens paired with the other two is also 12 megapixels. Something to note within the release specs is that the device seems to come in at 13.4 millimeters tall when folded. That's about 0.8 millimeters thinner than the Fold 4. The foldable is also reportedly 10 grams lighter in this generation and will come in phantom black, cream, and icy blue. Interestingly enough, neither device seems to come with a dust resistance rating packed in the IPX8 rating listed. It was rumored both devices might get certified, though an X still stands in the current dust resistance classification. So the biggest change on the big foldable will be the jump to the new chip and the fact that it folds flat shut. The reason why we are not able to show you the new leak press renders is because Samsung has warned all the leakers and journalists and already giving them strike for early renders in the market. Samsung claims that this leads to decline in their sales and affecting the growth of their competitors too. But all in all, we already have got everything about the upcoming foldable. So what are your thoughts about the upcoming Galaxy Foldable from Samsung? Let us share your valuable thoughts on this below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then don't forget to drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.